Yes, you can grow orange trees and other citrus from seed. A lot of people discourage against it, but check this out. This tree here is 3 years old and it's already starting to flower like crazy. I think last year we had one or two flowers, but this year it's stacked up with flowers. I'd be surprised if it fruits. It's got to be in like a 3 gallon container. It's a very small container. And all I did with this was fertilized it, mulched it. I used pond water, cow manure, and some compost we made on the property, as well as a little bit of Epsom salt. And this thing is going off. This is proof citrus can be grown from seed. Now this one's 3 years old, like I said. Look at that trunk. It's just about the width of my thumb, and it's already producing tons of flowers. Now I noticed the leaves were looking light green, so I fertilized this again recently. And here's the leaf I'm going to pull off. And citrus leaves have a great smell to them. If you never knew that, you can crush them up and smell them. And this thing smells wonderful. I'm really waiting to see what kind of fruit this thing pushes out. If it's any good. When you grow citrus from seed, you're not sure what kind of fruit you're going to get. But here's some other plants we got going. Check out this fig.